Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to add local files to your Spotify playlist. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Spotify app. Tap your profile icon in the top right corner and go to Settings. Scroll down to the Your Library section and toggle on the Show Local Files option. Next, scroll further and tap Add a Source under the Show Songs From section. This opens a file browser window. Select the folder containing the audio files you want to import. Once selected, Spotify creates a folder in your library called Local Files. All supported music files from that folder will now appear in the Local Files section. You can play them directly from the app. To add a local song to a playlist, tap the three dots next to the track, hover over Add to Playlist, and either choose an existing playlist or create a new one. This allows you to combine personal music files with your favorite Spotify tracks, all in one place. So that's basically how you can add local files to your Spotify playlist. And that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thanks.